Panibagong araw at panibagong video na naman by Inday Joanna. So this is the current situation of Dudong Franco.
Joanna loves watching me work. She thinks now I'm officially a handyman for Joanna. She likes it when I'm a bit messy.
So explain what's going on here.
Yeah, so I've just decided this weekend, because I have the weekend off now, that Ileana's room needs redecorating. Actually, there's still a lot of things in the house we need to decorate, and I'm working on this in the next 2 months. First thing I'm doing is repainting this room, and then that room needs repainting.
So ito yung situation sa kwarto ni Ella Belde.
The problem is, because it's a big house, there's just so many things that need doing. So I think a couple of the things I'm going to get someone else to do. I don't have the time. We're going to replace the windows as well. The front garden needs doing. So many things, guys. But yeah, I'm just painting this at the moment.
So before this was color pink.
Colour.
No, ito, may pagka-pink siya. You can't really see it on the camera.
Yeah, you can't really see it on the camera, but it was like purpley pink.
Yeah.
And the paint was peeling off.
Yeah, so hindi siya masyadong maganda.
Yeah, it wasn't that nice really, was it?
No.
But now, like, painted it a lighter colour, it looks a lot bigger, the room, doesn't it?
Oh, kasi may pinaghahandaan kami, Day.
Yeah.
We're getting ready for something.
What are we getting ready for?
So, ayan na nga, after mamintura ni Dudong Franco ay pumunta kami dito kay Mother Dear. Gustong gusto ni Ella Bel dito dahil kasi ang dami-daming laruan ng mga pinsan niya. So, maglit lang naman kami para magkita-kita ang magpinsan and then dumiretso na din kami sa mall. So, wala nga kami masyadong ganap sa Easter day, no? Tapos dito pa sa UK dahil pag Easter or holiday, nako, sarado din yung mga mall. Kaya naman nainggit si Inday Joanna kasi kayo pa beach lang. Tapos dahil nagbaha pa dyan og binignit sa akong Facebook. Anyways, moving forward, andito na kami sa mall and ito na ang aking mag-ama. Po si Ella Bel day, sobrang happy niyan kasi long weekend ang kanyang daddy Dudong Franco. So talaga namang nakapag-bonding kami. Inday Joanna nyo, napuyat yan day. Ewan ko ba, parang lagi akong pagod dito sa UK. Orag lami magligid-ligid permi day. Siguro dahil na rin sa malamig na panahon kaya nakakatamad din talagang tumayo. Anyways, dahil wala naman masyadong plano dito sa mall kaya kumain lang kami. Dito na nga kami nag-dinner para hindi na magluto si Inday Joanna pag uwi sa bahay. Sus, ang nangyay ni Ella Bel, hala sige kapyut sa ihang daddy day. At andito na nga ang aming order. So, ugma na lang may mag-diet day kay holiday man today. Palagi na lang tayong bukas nito day. Hindi na uubos yung bukas. Hala, tao, sige lang, okay lang yan day. You deserve to eat a lot today. Ika nga mag-cheat day si Inday Joanna today. Minsan kailangan din natin i-treat ang ating self. Na ay batang nag-apil-apil sa voice over ni Mama Inday. Anyways, moving forward, after namin kumain din, naglakad-lakad muna kami dito pang pahilis sa kinain. At itong mag-ama ko ay nilanggam na sa kasuitan. Asha, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye, be kind.
Bye, be kind.